from Eat Stretch Explore. Today I have another unboxing video for you. This time it is the BoxyCharm unboxing. I believe this is a base box, but honestly I'm not entirely sure because I just got put on the PR list. Yeah, I don't know how I did either. I mean, if you look at me right now, I have like literally no makeup on, so somehow they decided to have me show you guys what I got. So just all my disclaimers out in the open. This is PR. Part of my contract or my agreement with BoxyCharm is just to post on my Insta stories. So if you're interested in seeing what I post on my Insta stories, I'll put my username here, but also I always have a link in my description below. So this unboxing video is not part of my agreement with BoxyCharm. So these will be my full and honest opinions. I don't really care if BoxyCharm takes me off of their PR list. I mean, I don't really care. I don't have like a dog in the fight, as they say. So if they do decide to take me off, it just won't appear on this channel anymore. So I believe this might be just the intro box. They sent me an email saying they're going to send me something to get me excited. So I'm not sure if this is the intro box or the November box, but you will know because of the title, obviously. So I did take a couple of screenshots here to provide you with information so I don't give any false information. So I was looking into this myself to purchase a subscription. I was kind of like on the fence about it because I don't like having a lot of extra stuff building up in my stockpile. So I did not join at that time, but then I got an email like 2 days later asking me to be on the PR list. So the BoxyCharm base box will be pretty similar in price to the Allure Beauty box, which I'm already unboxing on this channel, which is the reason why I decided to kind of go with this service when they did offer me to be on the PR list, just so I can give a fair comparison. It is $25 per month, but if you do decide to go on a 3, 6, or 12-month option, it will reduce your cost per box. So each month they promise 5 full-size brand name beauty products. I believe if you are a paid subscriber, you can customize 1 item per month, but since this is my PR box, everything is going to be a surprise. So honestly, I was planning to do this weekend, but the election results are still coming in. I'm taping this on Thursday, so I kind of don't want to compulsively keep refreshing my screen. So this is why we're doing this today, and hopefully I can get it up for you pretty quickly. I'm aiming for Saturday. We'll see if that happens. So this is completely unopened. It just arrived, I think, yesterday or the day before, and I haven't opened it yet. So let me slice this open. I lost my other scissors, so we gotta go with these ones right now, so I don't know how good they will be because they're kind of big. So this is what it says here. It says, "Hello, Charmer." So I'm going to open the box for you, just so you can see it. I don't see a card, but maybe I'll need to dig in the box a little bit. Oh, here's a card. So basically this card is just letting me know that I should disclose that this was gifted to me for free for my review. And so I've already disclosed that. So here we go. It also looks like here this is actually going to be the November box, so I will not post this on Saturday. So I will need to wait until the posting time for the November box. Theme this month is Harvest. So what I've been watching recently, maybe in the past year or so, that the themes don't really matter. So we'll see going into this box if the theme actually does carry through. Also, I just realized how ironic it is that I'm doing a makeup and skincare unboxing and my face looks like this. I didn't put any makeup on today except for some eyeliner and mascara. So we shall see how this goes. Maybe I can try something. I probably won't try it on camera. And if you're interested, I feel like unboxing channels always tell you this, I have variation number 33. So let me see here. What else is here? It says Natasha Denona is treating charmers to 25% off site-wide. So that's something to look forward to if you are a subscriber. There will be a coupon code in there for you. Okay, let me see what else is in here. This is the bubble wrap. So the first thing that caught my eye is this very nondescript cardboard box. So it looks like I did receive the Natasha Denona palette. So if I do end up liking it, maybe I will purchase something with that 25% off. So this is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It looks like there are 5 shadows. There is no mirror. It's a pretty heavy palette, like in terms of components. So let me see if I can do this for you. So it looks like here, it's called the Peak palette. So it looks like there are 5 shades here. So it looks like the first is Aya, second is Jasper, that orangey color. The third is Thorn, which is kind of that brown color. Fourth is Amhara, and the fifth is Shine. So it looks like it's a pretty nice palette. I'm not gonna swatch it because my hands are a little bit dirty. Oh wait, I do have my hand sanitizer. So let me quickly spray the hand sanitizer, and maybe I can try to do some swatching for you. I mean, who wants to see that? No one. So I'm going to first go into, let me see, this is like literally the first time I've done this, so we'll see. They're very smooth when I touch them. So let me see if I can do this. So this one is the Aya, Jasper, Thorn, and Amhara. And then let me do the last one with my thumb. So this one is the Shimmer, it looks like, and that one is Shine. So I don't know if it's showing up on camera because I don't know how to do beauty guru stuff, but they look like they're pretty wearable for somebody who is like me. I try to kind of shy away from very bright, vivid colors. So let me tell you what this says here. So it says, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm-toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classics Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And this is a Boxy exclusive, and it has a retail value of $48. It does look like it is paraben-free, not tested on animals, and it says it is good for 24 months and made in Italy. So the next item in the box here is the Pera Primero primer. It's Spanish, I'm sorry. It's a long-wear sticky pigment base. So this is what this looks like. Let me find the information. It says it's by Alamar Cosmetics. It's a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's a water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue mixed with your favorite concealer to customize your primer's shade. The manufacturer retail price is $15. The next item in here is by Milk Makeup. So you can see here it's like in a nice triangular package. It looks like it is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. So honestly, I've tried the Kush mascara, the non-waterproof one. I received it for my birthday gift from Sephora this year, and that was probably the worst mascara I've tried in 2020. So my eyes water all the time because I have really bad allergies. So that particular one always gave me raccoon eyes, and on top of it, it was very dry and flaky. I don't know if it was just maybe I got a bad tube or something, because I know a lot of people do enjoy it, but I will definitely give this a go. The packaging is really hefty. Like, this is a metal tube. It's pretty heavy. Let me see. I don't really want to open it just to introduce bacteria, so I'll just show you the outside container and maybe try to find a screenshot from online. So it says it is a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. The manufacturer retail price is $24. I'm a little bit worried about trying it out because it does say it has heart-shaped fibers. So I mean, I didn't open it to know if the fibers were in the mascara itself or if it meant the brush, but we will take a look as I use the product. The next item in my box is from Yensa. It's Pumpkin Turmeric. It's a 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. So this is what the box looks like. It's a bright orange. So I think this also fits the harvest theme, but maybe I'm stretching it a little bit. It says it is formulated with 8 super orange essence. This gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates and exfoliates, leaving skin supple and radiant. Nourishing mask and face polish in one, resurfaces and smooths skin, great for sensitive skin. It provides a healthy radiant glow, helps minimize the appearance of pores, nourishes skin with superfoods, pumpkin boosts collagen, turmeric smooths skin. And then it is good for 18 months after opening. So the 8 Super Orange Essence is pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. So I guess maybe I'm a little bit slow, but the Super Orange, I guess, is the color of the different roots and fruits and vegetables that are in this item. Let's see, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this without getting the weird glare from my light. It says, yes, superfoods, Asian botanicals, real results, multitasking, high performance ingredients, and no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, phthalates, or animal cruelty. So it does look like it's cruelty free. I'm taking a look here at the ingredients list, and I don't see any added fragrances or anything like that, but it does seem like there are quite a few extracts. So I'll try to find it on the internet. Because I don't think that this will come through when I hold it up, and I'll try to screenshot the ingredients from their website. So it is just like kind of a regular sort of packaging here. It's kind of like what I get my sunscreen in, if I'm being honest. Let's see here, everything is the same. Let me open it. So it is sealed, so I am working through quite a few masks at the moment, so I will not open this right now, but I will tell you that it does have a manufacturer's retail value of $45, which is like crazy to me, but that's a pretty high value item in this box. Let's see, the last item in here is Peach and Lily. Oh, I've heard really great things about this brand. I think it's like a K-beauty brand. It says it's a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, Deep Cleanse and Soothe. It's made with camellia and chamomile. It does look like it has a lot of different extracts in here, so I will try to screenshot it just because it probably won't be clear on camera, but those are the ingredients. And let me see here, it doesn't look like there's any artificial fragrances or anything like that added. Made in Korea, distributed by Peach and Lily in New York. This gentle sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients that keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine on the right foot with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. Experience how the right start can profoundly improve skin. So let's see on the here, it says 100% worry-free, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. No sulfates, synthetic fragrances, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes and colorants, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and more. This formula is also vegan and gluten-free. We never test on animals. So you can see that information here. So I am actually very interested in trying this out. So even though I made that Innisfree video, I did not pull the trigger because I remembered that I was going to receive my CosBox add-on market soon. So I didn't actually purchase anything, but I still really do not think I care for that Skin & Co from FabFitFun because my skin is like a disaster right now. So I'm very interested in trying this product out as well. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of a cute packaging. I always really like the matte sort of packaging. It's kind of lame, I guess. So it does say that it's good for 12 months after opening. It's 100 milliliters or 3.38 fluid ounces. So I don't know if I've ever shared this, but I typically get those little like round garage sale stickers, and I put them on the bottom of all of my tubes when I receive them, and then I say where I received them from and then when I received them, and then as soon as I open it I put the date on just so I never use any expired products. So I kind of recommend you doing that, especially if you get a lot of subscriptions like I do. It is safety sealed, so I will not open it right. Actually, I will open it because I'll probably use it this evening. So hold on one second. It has a very refreshing scent. Let me try it on this hand. So I probably should have put the lid back on before I squeezed it out, but it is a gel cleanser. It's very clear. I'm sure you're probably like confused, but it has a kind of gross texture if I'm being honest, but that's to be expected. It is a gel cleanser. I probably will, like even with just rubbing it, it is starting to foam up, so I probably will use this in my nightly routine with my PMD clean. But it says the manufacturer retail value is $28, which is kind of expensive for a cleanser if I'm being honest. So again, I think that's one of the benefits of having a subscription box, especially when they don't fill it with a bunch of things that are made especially for that subscription box, is that you're able to try a bunch of products that, I mean, I honestly would never pay $28 for a cleanser, but I'm just kind of a cheapskate. I think there's a lot of discussion online because I know even I have been wondering it as just a consumer of YouTube content, if the PR boxes are better than the customer sort of paid boxes are. And I feel like maybe it's shifting a little bit, and we'll kind of see as the whole Ipsy and BoxyCharm merger sort of acquisition thing plays out. But I do think that some of the spoilers that I saw on the Instagram today were slightly better than what I received, if I'm being honest. So I think it's kind of like a mixed bag of what you get and what your interests are, because I do think that the Natasha Denona palette is something that a lot of people will enjoy, but as a non-makeup wearer, it's great to try it out, but I don't know if I was necessarily wishing for that particular product versus, I think the other one was the 111 Skin Gel Hydrating something serum. So I mean, I personally probably would have enjoyed getting that, but then it would have been very skincare heavy in my box. So let me quickly go over everything that I received and kind of give a brief summary of the like retail value again, and maybe I'll try to do some math. So the Natasha Denona Peak palette is $48. I am very interested in trying this out. The second is the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser that has a $28 retail value. The third item is this Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara, and that has a $24 value. The fourth item is the Yensa Pumpkin and Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask with a $45 value. That's still shocking to me. And then the final item here is the Alamar Cosmetics Pera Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, and that has a $15 value. So adding that all up, it brings my value for this particular box and combination to $160. Let me know below when you get your box, because I'm kind of interested to see what you got, because I think there were a couple of other items that I was kind of seeing pop up a lot. So there's that 111 Skin Serum, and then also the, can't remember the brand, I think it was Volition Beauty Mushroom Toner, Mushroom something or another serum, that I was actually kind of interested in trying out myself as well, just because I'm kind of more of a skincare person than I am a makeup person. I'm very interested in hearing what you received and what you thought about your box, and also like let me know what you think about my box below. Also, since I'm not a beauty guru and this is my first BoxyCharm unboxing, just let me know what kind of information you want me to pull up and provide you in future videos, I mean, if I continue getting PR. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful and informative, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.